There's been a lot of talk about body composition lately. There's a lot of different ways to measure body comp. We're going to provide a general overview of assessing body composition today, as well as highlight why GE DEXA is the gold standard for measurement of body composition. But first, let's take a step back. We've all seen the BMI charts in physician offices. They've been around for many years. That's the old way of looking at what they thought was body fat. The problem with these BMI indexes is that it can provide very misleading information. And in some cases, people that are very fit and have low fat can actually be in the obese category. So it's very outdated. We still see them on occasion in physician offices, but over the years, body comp is really, the technology that's come out has really advanced quite a bit. So let's start with calipers. Calipers are a very basic device, basically pinching the skin in certain areas, determining the fat. But like a lot of these other ways of measuring body composition, they can be very inaccurate, user-dependent, and provide limited and even in some cases misleading information. All right, so calipers, very basic, inexpensive way, but again, there's no way to really get a fully accurate assessment of your body comp. Some of the other methods are impedance devices. This sends electrical impulses through your body. That's a step up from calipers, but still going to give you limited information, and in some cases can also skew what your body composition actually looks like. There's hydrostatic devices where they do the underwater dunk tank, little bit more accurate, but very inconvenient. Most people don't want to get into a pool of water, immerse themselves. Again, limited information as well. And then there's also a device called the Bod Pod, which you kind of basically crawl into an egg-like device and you get a measurement from that. So, in summary, these devices, again, are going to give you some limited information. They may give you some insight to your body comp, but if you want a true assessment, a detailed report of your body composition, the GE DEXA is the gold standard. So here's an example of a report. This is one page. We can actually produce 30, 40 pages of data to show you your body comp, but as you can see, it's going to give you in great detail body fat percentage, body fat by pounds, lean tissue, and we're going to look at every area of your body. So it's very impactful data. In addition to that, we're going to measure visceral fat, which if you look at visceral fat, this is 5 pounds of fat right here. So this right here is 5 pounds. We see a very high incidence of middle-aged men of having 5 pounds and sometimes even more visceral fat wrapped around their organs. High predictor of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. This is information that you want to know. So again, the GE DEXA is going to give you the most comprehensive, detailed assessment of your body composition and do it in the most accurate way. To find out more information, if you're looking for a DEXA scan in your area, or if you're a physician that's looking to offer this type of service to your patients, fill out the information below.